Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable or clear notification on Viber. So first of all, open Viber application. Now on the bottom, click on this three dot icon. Now select settings. Here you can see notifications on the third. Click on it. Now uncheck this first option, show message preview. Now go back. Now go to your settings. Here search notifications. Select notifications and status bar. Go to app notifications. Here on the search bar, search Viber. Here on the show notifications bar, click on it. Now you'll not be able to receive any messages, notifications. This is the quick and easy way to turn off or clear notifications in Viber. Thank you for watching.